How to fix automatic brightness increase for Instagram on iPhone. So if you want to fix the automatic brightness increase for Instagram on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of display and brightness. From here, you need to scroll down and then as you can see that you will have an option of automatic brightness. We need to just simply go and turn off the automatic brightness. Once you turn off the automatic brightness, your problem might be fixed. Head back to the main page of your settings and make sure that your true tone or night shift or all of the other options are turned off as well. You can also just simply swipe down and from here you need to tap and hold on to your brightness and then you will have the true tone or dark mode or your night shift. Make sure that all of the options are turned off. After that, you need to go with the general section. Under general, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of shutdown. You need to go and shut down your phone and then again turn it back on and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.